Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play as Luigi in New Super Mario Bros. Playing as Luigi is a fun way to experience the game with a different feel. To select him, you'll need to hold down a specific button combination when you choose your save file. This simple trick lets you jump into the Mushroom Kingdom as Mario's taller, green-clad brother, ready for new challenges and adventures. Let's get started. To play as Luigi in single player, simply hold down both the L and R buttons on your Nintendo DS or 3DS system. While holding them, select your save file. You'll then see Luigi ready to go. In multiplayer, if you're the second player, you'll automatically control Luigi, making it easy to team up. This method ensures you can always choose your favorite green hero for any level. Luigi brings his own set of abilities to the game. Most notably, he has a higher and floatier jump compared to Mario. This allows him to reach platforms and secrets that Mario might struggle with. However, his slightly different traction means he can be a bit more slippery, so you'll need to adjust your movement. Learning to control Luigi's unique physics can give you an edge in challenging levels. So, to recap, playing as Luigi is as simple as holding L and R when you pick your save file. His higher jump and unique feel can make familiar levels feel fresh and exciting. Experiment with his movement to find new ways to tackle obstacles and discover hidden areas. Remember to check the description for a link to these handy containers and other great deals. Have fun mastering Luigi's moves and saving the princess.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.